can didn't work. It's alright. I mean, it covers it. But that would have taken a lot. So I bought a $50 bucket of fence paint, satin black of course, roller with the Extendo Mini owner. So I think we're ready. Now I just have to dump this and that and try not to make a huge mess. But it can't be worse than not moving your stuff far enough away and getting overspray on it. And it's not like it's black paint. Yep, should have seen that. Oh yeah, this works great. Let's freaking go. Okay. Now I have to repaint over everything. Probably just not gonna sleep tonight and do all of this, cause, oh, I'm so excited now. This is gonna be great. What was I doing? Oh, cue the fast forwarded with the music.
In the silence of the morning, the sun awakens and opens the world in colors. Each ray is a hug, a promise, and life dances to the sound of the winds. Beautiful life, how beautiful you are. Woven into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift, every day is a gift. To paint with love and laughter. On the road we find stories, steps that intersect, dreams that intertwine. And in the gaze of a stranger, we find pieces of ourselves. Beautiful life, how beautiful you are. Woven into threads of hope and stars.
This is gonna look so good. Or it won't, but either way, who cares? All right, we're just over halfway done. Gotta let it dry first and see how bad it's stripy, as you can tell. But yeah, we'll hit it again. I got plenty of paint left. Get her looking nice and sharp. Okay, short-term fix. We got those holes covered up because that beam goes all the way down the carport, and I don't think they stuccoed the top, so they just go right down. So, that being said, I think we should be good now. But I've been wrong before. So, we'll see. All right, let's finish painting this so we can throw some lights up. Yeah, still, no, you got some wet spots still. I had to hit some spots again. Got some spots I gotta hit with spray paint. But we're done. Heck yeah. Now I gotta put the lights on. That's a tomorrow problem.